Good morning and welcome to Financial Friday, your end of week financial update from your credit union.
Good morning. I am Crystal Parker, Financial Education and Community Outreach Ambassador, and it is great to be with you today. Are you planning any summer travel? Weeks, long weekends out of town, perhaps? I know that for many of us, we are looking forward to some summer fun, traveling somewhere that is other than our home and our own city to reconnect with friends, our family, or perhaps to get away on our own. But whatever that may be, did you know there's something that you should do besides planning your trip and packing your bags? You need to give your credit union a call to place a travel notice on your account. It's really easy to do. You can give us a call right here at the credit union, or you can send us a message through digital banking. And then we'll place that travel notice on your account, the dates you'll be gone, and where you'll be. This is so that we can protect your account and prevent any disruption in service in the use of your debit card or credit card. Did you know that we partner with PSCU, also known as Card Services? They help us in maintaining your cards and monitoring your transactions. So by placing the travel notice, PSCU will see that perhaps you're in North Carolina from this date to this date. They see transactions in North Carolina and will not mark those as fraud and close your card temporarily out of fear that somebody else is using your card. We know that it would be incredibly frustrating to have a disruption in use of your card. And by having that travel notice, that lets us know that it is in fact you using your card in North Carolina or wherever it may be that you will be for your trip. So as you prepare for your summer adventures, make sure you place those travel notices on any cards you intend to use while you're gone so that you do not experience a disruption in service. We hope that this is a helpful reminder for you and that you will join us right here next week for another Financial Friday.
We hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Financial Friday. Have a great week, everyone.